How to earn crypto on Binance. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can earn crypto on Binance. Now, earning crypto on Binance can be achieved through various methods depending on your preferences, risk tolerance and knowledge of the cryptocurrency market. Now, here are some of the ways you can earn crypto on Binance. Now, first thing is you can engage yourself in cryptocurrency trading by buying and selling various cryptocurrencies based on the market trend. This requires a good understanding of market analysis and risk management as well. Now, Binance also offers staking services for certain cryptocurrencies. By staking your assets, you contribute to network security and in return may receive staking reward as well. You can also participate in liquidity farming or yielding aggregation programs. These involve providing liquidity through decentralized finance (DeFi) protocols and earning reward in returns. You can also explore where you can earn interest by leading your cryptocurrencies to other users on the platform. Binance savings may include flexible savings and locked savings with various interest rates and theme. So these were some of the ways on how you can earn crypto on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.